I'm Sally Lampett. I'm the Programme Lead and Deputy Director at Applause Rural Touring. Today we have been running an Artist Lab. The focus for today is about outdoor rural touring, but particularly focusing on the development and creation and touring of small-scale work for outdoor fetes and festivals.
We've been running some roundtable sessions that have been led by artists like us who have maybe been rural touring for a little while, to talk a little bit about how you create and how you devise work for rural touring. And it's been really wonderful to meet loads of different artists, to hear about their aspirations to tour rurally, and actually really to get into the meat of how you make it work and the limitations, but then also the opportunities.
I really enjoyed speaking with the other facilitators. That's been really nice, and we stayed overnight at 101 Arts, and that was lovely. So it gave us a chance to actually chat with everybody, which you often don't get when you're out gigging because you don't get that time with people. So that was really nice, and actually meeting everybody that came today and hearing what they're working on, or if they're trying to move work from an existing piece to rural touring and how that might work, and having those kind of conversations was really good.
It's just been incredibly inspiring, not just because there's so many creatives that are interested in rural touring, but there's been a lot of kind of discussions and advice amongst us as creatives of what speaker do you use? Where should I stay if I'm in this area? And I think it just is a credit to the kind of rural touring network and outdoor arts network is that how welcoming and open everyone is.
It's so lovely that everybody is coming with a different level of experience. So some people have just a seed of an idea for a new outdoor show. Some people have an idea that is much more fully formed. Some people have shows already that have been made that they're wanted for indoor settings that they're then looking to transfer into outdoor and rural settings. So yeah, it's just been quite nice to hear about everyone's projects and what they want to get out of it really.
The opportunity to connect with artists, producers, programmers and creatives from different parts of the country. I think that's one of the highlights. And two, having inside information from artists that are actually doing what we want to do. That was really, really useful.
Today was a really great opportunity to hear how other artists have been working in that setting, hearing the practicalities of what that actually means, hearing about how they make budgets work for that kind of scale, translating the nuts and bolts of it into my ideas, and so that can be there from the beginning. That's kind of been the big takeaway for me.
There's so much creativity and energy in the room, and I think that has been fantastic to see. There's been a lot of knowledge sharing, a lot of opportunity to have people speak about their practice, but we've also spent quite a lot of time all talking together.